In this video, I will show you how you can use Now Nudge for proactive tasks on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Galaxy AI. On this page, just scroll down and look for the option for Now Nudge. Now just tap on it, and from here just enable this toggle to turn on Now Nudge on your phone. Now Nudge is basically a Galaxy AI feature that understands what is happening on your screen and will suggest you helpful information and features based on what is happening on the screen. For an example, if a friend texts you about meeting on a specific date, Now Nudge will detect the date and it will offer you to create an event in the Calendar app. By just tapping on the option, you will create an event in the Calendar app. Another example is that if a friend asks you for photos of a recent trip, Now Nudge will suggest you to open the Gallery app and it will filter down all the photos directly to the photos from that specific location. Also, if you're filling out a form on your phone, Now Nudge will suggest you some information for the form which you're filling. For example, if the form asks you about your information like your first name, last name, email address, or your phone number, Now Nudge will give you those information directly on the keyboard. Now to give Now Nudge your information, just scroll down and tap on Recall information you need. Then tap on Manage Personal Data. Now just confirm this action using your lock screen PIN or your fingerprint. Now in the name section, you can enter your full name. You can enter your given names, your middle name, or your surname. After that, just tap on Save to save the data. Now after you do that, then just tap on Phone Number, and in this section, just enter your phone number. Now also you have the option to fill out the email section. You can add your email address over here. Now you also have the option to add your passport information. Just fill out this section. Now also if you have any pets, you can enter the details of your pet over here. Like if you have a dog and if your dog has a name, you can write it down over here. Then finally you have the option for interests, and from here you can select your interests so that Now Nudge will have more information about you to give you better recommendations. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.